I got right here more pocket gadgets. This one is really cool, came from Amazon. So this is a pry bar. There's a nice clip. It has a ratchet. Wow. Also it has, looks like a pencil. That is cool. How do we take it out? Just grab and pull. Very nice stone magnet. So there's a graphite pencil. That is cool. Obviously it will be replaceable. Wow. Awesome. And there's a magnet, so this will spin over. Wow. Let's grab something. There's magnets, really stone magnets. Ooh, locks in so well, and it will lock in into here. And if I need to unspin something, all I have to do is just twist this way right here. That's cool. Okay, and flip it over this way, and now it's gonna go the other way. Let's see. Yes, that is so cool. Have a little linear hole, pocket clip. Looks like another screwdriver hole with a magnet, so that way it's like a regular one. That is unique. Okay, again, open this little door. There you go. Very unique. I like it. And obviously we have a pry bar, and it's sharp enough to cut through paper boxes and box stuff, and very comfortable and big. I love it. Got it here, pretty unique flashlight. Let's see what it's all about. Kinda interesting clip on the side, so it can be standing or clipped onto the like a backpack strap or pocket. So side flashlight, or there's a flashlight right here. Okay, there's on and off on the side. It's quite comfortable. Whoa, that is bright. So it is like a half lantern. Okay, press it again, and it's lower mode and lower, and the flashlight from the top. And this one is like more of a like a spotlight. This one is a lantern, and super simple settings. Just press it and set it up. Nice. I like it how it's easy to put it onto a back strap, so it's like almost like a headlamp. Awesome. And it's so wide, and that's what the sensor does. All I have to do is cover it up, and its light goes out. Interesting. Wow, that is very stone. It is literally just like a lantern. That's amazing. Let me set it up and walk away so you guys can see. The whole thing illuminates. So if I put it on a piece of metal, check this out. The whole room illuminates all the way. Very wide. Wow, that's amazing. That is so wide. And the light from here is also very powerful, but more of a spotlight. I'm not really sure what this for. Pretty much tells me if it's inside my pocket and it's presses by mistake, it will not be on because it's inside my pocket. Ooh, there's a magnet right here too, so I can set it up this way or this way. Versatile. Here's the most unique pen I've seen in a while. First of all, it is very minimalistic and slim. There's a clip. Wow. And all we have to do is just flip it and lock it like this. Makes it a little longer. And the pen, wow, all I have to do is pop it out to replace it. Let's try it out. Let's grab something like this, skinny, and pop it out and replace it. That is so unique. So all I have to do is do that. I love it. Super easy to use, very minimalistic. Flip it over, lock it, so that way it will not draw on my skin or in my pocket. Very skinny. One of a kind. I love it. I love pens, and definitely never seen anything like that. On the back it says pen type C, a bookmark pen with a detachable clip. Very cool. Next I got right here Carbon Tactics Tie Slim Utility Keychain Knife. So all I have to do is just push here and locks in over here. We have a blade on this side, locks it back in, flip it over, and then take out this way. Ooh, there's nothing on this way. So let's pull it out, see what it's all about. All I have to do, wow, all I have to do is just flip over the blade, that's it. Okay, like seen right here. That is an incredibly simple design. Wow, that is so cool. So there's a blade on one side, grab it, and there is all about it, made in USA, Carbon Tactics CT. Okay, flip it over. Let's see, how do we put it all back together? This thing is very lightweight. Titanium, wow, look at that machine work. Anodized, kind of like green, bluish, purple. Okay, and all I have to do is just slide it in and push it down, and it will slide in pretty tight. Boom. So lock. All I have to do is put on a keychain right here, and then just it will lock in over here. Use it, lock it back up. Very simple design, but it's very cool, lightweight EDC utility knife. I like it. Here's a unique Tucson knives 185 razor. Let's see what it's all about. I like unique knife. This one is one of them. So first of all, it is like one of those vintage razors. Opens all the way like this, and on this side looks like a beard comb. Very interesting, isn't it? So I guess I'd hold it this way to use it as a beard comb. Wow. Okay, and then close it back up, and there's a designer logo 14C28N. Very unique razor. Highly oiled up, that's for sure too. Very comfortable. Pocket Pro pen by Big Idea Design. I love their packaging. Okay, let's see what it's about. There's also instructions. Twist. Okay, decent size. I would say mid size. So twist, open, and twist this way. Ooh. So to replace it, I keep twisting it this way. We have right here refill. Wow, spins through really well. Boom. Titanium, nice. Quick little twist, open it, quick little twist, close it. Very unique little pen. I like it, comfortable and lightweight. This one is a battery fan, like a stroller fan with the graphics. Let's see what it's all about. This one is blue. A charger cord with the USB-C to USB. Okay, what we got here? Wow. Okay, this is very grippy for me. I like it. So it could be like set up as a tripod easily. Okay, what do we have here? Nice. Spins all the way around. 360. Nice. Okay. Very powerful fan, and most important, very quiet too. I like it. Okay, a little bit faster and faster, and there's light in case we need light. Wow, that is a bright light in case at night time, if I need to check something at night, easy. And obviously it will just grabs over anything like a stroller handle, and it will hold really tight. That is amazing. Wow, got me tightened in here. And again, it can be set up like a little tripod too. I love it, looks so cool.